Hello, I missed you. Welcome back to my cozy corner of the internet, a la Caputo's. I'm still Adri, nothing has changed. I didn't wear a jacket to work today though, and that changed. And now that spring is coming, we want to give you some new and fun things to pair in your life to keep things delicious. I'd like you to meet the Freshwater Trout from Fangst. It is a nod to Martin's childhood. He grew up going to freshwater trout farms with his dad, and this is a really lovely example of what the Danish have to offer, and it is special and fresh and something that I'm really looking forward to having this weekend because it's going to be 75 degrees. So let's dive in. This is canned with some juniper and lemon thyme. It's a full fillet. It is clean. There is a tiny bit of fat on the outsides that I think is going to make it really rich and really decadent. We paired it with some rye and linseed crackers because I'm in charge and that's what we're doing. It seems like the perfect textural component to add to the texture of the fish rather than detracting from it. You could do something crispier, but I find that with how silky and velvety that fillet is, you want something that's not going to get in the way of that. So that is why you have this cracker, but more importantly, we're pairing some beer, y'all. I'm sure you've seen our beer case. It is fully stocked with some really, really exciting, brand new local microbrews. And today, this is what I want you to try. This is from Bewilder. They're right on the other side of the park from us. Hi, we love you a lot, but this is their Italian pilsner. Pilsner is something that started not in Italy, but as the Italians started to adopt the traditions of the Czech and other countries, they started to dry hop it at the very end to change things up, to add a little bit of nuance and depth and complexity. And while a pilsner is a really, really easy sipper and not something that you need to spend a lot of time thinking about, the dry hops in this give it a little bit of a firmer backbone. And it's going to pair marvelously with this because I tried it already and I know it's great. So enjoy. Tell us what you think. Trout is back. We're so happy it's here. I'm so happy you're here. We'll see you at Caputo's.